Now, after obtaining the velocity of the rebounds, which is the velocity after collision, so we're asked to find the impulse given to the ball. So the impulse, don't forget that impulse equals to change in momentum, that is final momentum minus initial momentum. So impulse also means change in momentum, as you know, as a physics student. Now, the mass given to us here is 1.5. You can see the mass is 1.5. Then the V we have here represent the final velocity. You get it now? That is after collision. Why the U represent initial velocity? That's before collision. So I can simply say that V equals to VB. That is the velocity after collision. So then U, which is initial velocity, is equals to VA. So that is velocity before collision. So I can say VBA can be equals to what? Equals to 1 meter per second. 1 meter per second. But don't forget that the 1 here must be in negative form. Even if you can't introduce minus b there, it will also affect the one we have here. So then VA equals to 4 meter per second. And then by shifting the negative we have here into this value we have -1, right? For negative value, which is opposite in direction. So which means we are going to have impulse will now be what? Mass 1.5, then into, so the V we have here is VB, right? VB, that's -1, then -4. Can you see? So we have 1.5 multiplied by -5. So the answer we have there is, if you are to get it multiplied very well, so we have to find out 7.5. That's 7.5 kilogram meter per second. So it's going to be negative. But since it is, if our -7.5 now, if we are to express this formula in terms of modulus, so it means -7.5 here will be converted to positive sign, which means we are going to have, if this one is in form of modulus, for instance, so modulus of -7.5 give us 7.5 kilogram meter per second. So we can stop at this junction as the value of the impulse. So impulse means change in momentum, or magnitude or modulus of change in momentum. So in this form you can calculate the values respectively. So that's it.